Nearly 500,000 Australians will retire in the next year alone. Most of these will experience a smooth transition, but 1 in 4 will find the transition to be very challenging. They will struggle to adjust and will be confronted with feelings of loneliness and depression. We have been trying to work out what factors contribute to successful and prolonged retirement adjustment for over 50 years. And the reason why we haven't managed to get very far in that time is because we have overlooked a really important element. Very few theories recognise the importance of social factors, and the ones that do don't explain exactly how social factors might help adjustment. So applying these limited models to our understanding of retirement adjustment is a bit like trying to read wearing blurry glasses. Not very helpful. Instead, my PhD looks at retirement adjustment through a different lens, one that recognises that our social relationships play a key role in protecting our health and well-being, particularly during periods of life change. Oh, goodness. With this in mind, my first study examines the relationship between social participation and retirement adjustment. I also wanted to see how social relationships, social factors compare to other important predictors of adjustment, such as finances. We are finding so far that social participation, the more social participation a person experiences, the better their retirement adjustment. And interestingly, that social participation is more strongly associated with adjustment than finances is. So what does this all mean? Well, first, that social factors are clearly important for retirement adjustment, and second, that they actually matter more than we thought they did. But social relationships are only part of the story here. We know that certain types of social relationships are more beneficial than others, such as belonging to more social groups. So my PhD thesis centres around this question. What is it about these social groups that helps and promotes health and well-being in the retirement transition? We need to know the answer to this question so that we can best optimise people's social networks to get the most benefit and support from them in retirement. In this sense, my PhD, by looking at it through this new lens, the goal of my PhD is to make sure that all retirees experience a smooth transition and stay happy and healthy as they move on into the next stage of their lives.